Okay, welcome back. This is our fifth WordPress tutorial. This is Ruben Maldonado with iRISE.com. And in this tutorial, we're going to be covering pages and posts, but on the fact of how they display. Um, so let's just jump right in. I've already logged into my website, okay, and I'm here on my dashboard. I have some posts here and some pages. Let's take a look at the difference between a page and a post and the way they display. So previously what I had done is I had created some posts, and I decided that previously I had created some pages, and I had decided to switch them over to posts. So all the Joomla tutorials once existed as pages, but now they are posts. And the reason I did that is because I can now add, you see these categories? I can add these categories to existing posts, and categorize all of my pages or all of my posts on my website using these categories, and adding the extra tags, which can um, help people find the information that they're looking for if they don't necessarily type in a word that is located in the title. So let's take a look at the way that a page displays. I'm just going to click on, let's go with the photo editing page. Okay, so here we have the title of the page, and then this little edit icon here that is displayed only when I am logged into my website. As you can see up here, it shows that I'm logged in. So if I was not logged in, I would not be able to see that. But there you have the title of the page, and have an image and then some other information. So let's go to that page here under the administrative backend. And that was photo editing, correct? Let's find it. Hey, there's photo editing. Okay, so I have a slider, which I'll be getting into in a different video. Heading to photo editing, and then another heading, and then the rest of the information on the page. So you can see here that we have the slider, heading 1, the second heading, and then the rest of the information. So this is the only bit of metadata that's showing. And if you go back to the edit page, if I were to scroll down, it says show title on page. I can unclick that, update it, go back here, refresh the page, and we'll see that that disappears. Okay, there, it's gone. So if I were to completely log out, basically all metadata would be gone from the page. Now, post, you can't really control the metadata all that much. Let's go to one of my earlier videos, a tutorial. I have this saved as a post. Now, you see here that there is the title of the post, and then it has a published date, who their author was, and now this little icon that would not normally be here if I wasn't logged into the page. So you have the title, but then you have an additional published and author. which does not appear on the pages. Let's go to the post itself. This post was WordPress part 2. So let's find the WordPress part 2 administrator tutorial. Let's take a look at the sidebar here and scroll down. And it says theme options, show title on single page. Let's go ahead and click this so it's not showing, update it, and see what happens to the metadata on this page, or on this post. I'm sorry. Okay, the title is gone, but the metadata of the published date and the author still remains. So some people like this, some people don't. People that want ultimate control of their website, to them this may be a little hassle, but it serves as a good reference point so that people can tell how relevant that post is to their day. You know, if you're looking up an HTML instructional video, you don't want something that was published back in 1995 because it would not have the proper or the most current information on HTML. So the same way that WordPress can also change from one year to the other. So publishing dates could benefit you in the long term, especially if you have time sensitive information or things that you want to report on current events. That would be another reason to want to have the date listed up there. Now the author, you can click the author and it'll actually take you to a list of all the posts written by that author. So, you know, it gives a little more functionality. Although the metadata does appear here, I don't feel that it's that much of an inconvenience, given the benefits that posts, you can put the categories and add tags to them versus pages. Now there is one main reason why people may go to pages over posts is when it comes to menus. So we will cover menus in the next section. This is Ruben with iRISE Digital.com, and I'll be seeing you on the next tutorial.